and today I am at the Raleigh Bead Show. Just checking it out, kind of seeing what's here, maybe buying a few things to do some tutorials with. So let's go take a look. So let me show you some of Chip's fabulous work here. All of these are antique materials. Chip, go ahead while I'm showing them. Tell us. So you source this stuff, and then so tell us a little bit about what you do to make this. So you find a lot of this stuff?
Yeah.
So you find it around and then turn it into like pendants and
Bracelets.
bracelets. Oh, let's look at the bracelets. These are gorgeous. Very nice. So if you're interested in any of Chip's stuff, I'm going to drop his email down in the description to the video. Go ahead and drop him a line and let him know you love his stuff. And yeah, that would be awesome. Thanks, Chip. Alright, so here's some more really unique things that we found here at the show. And tell us all about this. Tell us your name and what you guys do. Hey, Mark.
I'm from down in Tarpon Springs, Florida. It's on the west coast of Florida, just north of Clearwater. And we do all of our hand soldering down in Tarpon Springs. We try to bring out the hippie and the gypsy in you. It's just fun stuff. We make everything treasures. And come join.
What's your website?
The website is markgriffithlimited.com, or the easier one is solderpendants.com.
All right, fabulous. Thanks, Mark. Have a great day. Have a good show. All right.